Kulwe IAS, IPS Jungdamak Shoki is a very simple reason. Ukhrul district school Kamathamak Lehi. That is the root cause. Ukhrul district Kung Shakni Lang the Ledele. School Kamtak Kea Ledele. We can count on our finger. It's from a Banglishan Baye, Sacred Heart, Little Angel, Patka Christian Academy, Ari KTL. Savior School, Elias Christian High School, Tharukshini Mang Made, China School Kamatha Hima Chungranga Dangda, UPSC we exam here national level, Delhi we Mumbai we metropolitan we get them now bingly, candidate Kambisagi Jindajang, then make up the school Kamatha quality education, Malay Rangain Dangda, UPSC Traham Shokran Row, Hina Kamatayane. He could have the Chungmedishong Saksi Right to Education Act, National Education Policy G. Katong a Jimatalak and a letter and spirit implement Sablungre. Chewy Act we law Ayin at the school Gachi the primary school Ochashini Legixide. Every room should have a teacher. 50% of the teacher should be women. Don't have a Shin Sagi Jinda. Kala Ocha Bingji mandatorily. Tangkul du tiam plong gi jene tangkul du mak thei mi pingli o cham sang sak pai mane school building ji thada le phung da ala running water le washroom li kala drinking water kala school meal ji midday meal ji school compound li hang da khlumai mi cha gi jene chi thada o cha ji pe de le ga kisa da isila ma shokra matai la ka ne school kham tha mak chung he ne jang UPSC ma shokra ne we are second to none in talent jang the school foundation makam thaji yangra atama khali I ukhruli tc sa saye 90 to 93 ukhrul district le high school makdashini le sade except one school higher secondary school ukhrul science ocha maths ocha ma le chidala only one school the rest 26 school was science ocha ma le maths ocha ma le ka thada UPSC le kam bisaur he issue we he want make up jene China are in education minister Basandali Hajing the Glene high school pingli maths ocha science ocha pay the lemilo chi tiger itumda mshoi lag le rag them jong me card shokru ji I wish it kasan advice to the aspiring ma are we IAS Thar the aspiring candidate Pingli, Ihi Hangaye. Achagum Khani Shida in a sponsor Saye, Ari Atomwe coaching G. Kaajukum I Masada Ture, Kik Lansing He, Teuka Atam Chadamusam Hangwang. Kaina Tumnit had the message Hangaye. The basic requirement of a UPSC candidate. You must know English in speaking and writing. Basic fundamental the next step is how much you give effort. Na English the next give knowledge li how much you give effort. Na atamji jikat shabda leka you will take with haga thankali 12 hour mashita pai mere 12 hour na khare singum live one whole year 12 months he no we subject to ngaji pagi jene subject chapter ka to nga pa phung for 1 year China the remaining 6 months deliver subject to nga pa atam leila deliver intensive preparation sarade na singu mak li pa gai psychology textbook jiwa palu pai meaning la jang atam leila China notebook akhli chapter avaji Kika half page, main point ping G. Na memory sablungra. She idea the gist, the main idea jina popped up lungra. Laga the remaining 6 months before the exam. Na notebook shem khaiji, note shem khaiji. She pa laga jang. You close your eyes. Na ami khamilo laga na pa khai psychology. Question jira kana pungkatum kabishap ki jene. Kita kabishap ki jene. general preparation, intensive preparation khani ta ka sai jo kala basic knowledge jang both speaking and writing oral and writing je le phung basic requirement ji hang ngai ni sla kai